Are old Instagram notifications showing up on your iPhone and causing trouble? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's get it sorted now. Solution 1. Toggle Badge app icon. First, open up the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Notifications. Scroll down and find the Instagram. Tap Instagram. If you scroll down a little bit, here you will see the badge option. Now simply toggle it off. Then restart your iPhone. Now go back and toggle on the badge options. Solution 2. Enable background app refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now, select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back, scroll down, find the Instagram app, make sure to toggle it on. If it is disabled, then sorry, you won't get any notification from Instagram. Hope after that, your issue will be solved. Glad we could fix it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.